Here's an update on the earthquakes for the last 24 hours. A 5.1 in Peru, 5.1 in Peru. The country of Peru down in South America. 5.1 in El Salvador. 4.0 in Peru. 2.9 in Puerto Rico. They was devastated by one of those hurricanes. And then they had several earthquakes. This one was at 3:49 p.m. today. 6.2 miles deep. A 2.9. 3.5 in Alaska. Several 2.5 in Puerto Rico. Oklahoma, a 2.0. Montana, 2.8. Japan, 3.4. Alaska, 3.8. Vanuatu, 5.0. 4.7 in Indonesia. 4.6 in Japan. 4.4 Fortuna. 4.9 Indonesia. 5.0 Indonesia. Earthquakes all around the world. 4.7 in Iran. .8 Carlsberg Ridge. Let's click on and see where that is. Out in the Arabian Sea. Carlsberg Ridge. 4.8. 4.6 in Indonesia. 4.0 in California on the 11th. Yesterday at 9:13 p.m. 84 earthquakes in the last 24 hours.